everyone and welcome back to Looks and Life. If you've seen my previous video, you'll see that I unboxed a Toiletry 15. I'm going to show you now how I'm going to swap out my current makeup bag into the Toiletry 15, what fits inside it, what I'm going to use it for and things like that. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so this is my current makeup bag. I really don't like it because it's very bulky. I've got far too much stuff in there. I really need to downsize. So I'm going to go through everything in there, get rid of things that I don't need and only choose the things that I really want to have with me on a daily basis and put them into my Toiletry 15. So let's start going through this now. So in here I've got far too many just loose painkillers, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this small one and pop that into my Toiletry 15. It's a lot easier than having multiple with only a couple in, so that's in there now. I've just got some Vicks First Defence for when I'm getting a cold. I definitely don't need it on a daily basis, so I'm going to keep that out. Got some lip balm here, it's up to SPF 50 plus, so that's a really good one, so I'm going to pop that in my Toiletry 15 as well. So I don't use this as much, it's just a lip scrub from Lush, so you just put a bit of that on your lips to get rid of any dry skin. I don't use that on a daily basis though, so I don't think I'm going to have that in my Toiletry 15. Another lip balm, I've already got one in there so I don't need another one. Another lipstick, this one is a Givenchy lipstick. It's just a really nice pink colour. I am coming to the end of this now, so I do want to keep that with me, but it probably won't last for much longer, but I'm going to pop that in there as well. Another lipstick, this is Charlotte Tilbury one, it's called Tell Laura and it's a really nice sort of orangey red colour. I really do like that one actually, so I will put that in my Toiletry 15 as well. Now I think I'm going to have to do some sort of arranging in here, rather than just throwing everything in. I think I'm going to have to sort it so that everything has its own place and stands in its own place, so I'll have a look at that, but it is kind of getting a bit more full now. Got a comb, these are just really handy to have if I don't have space for a brush in my bag, so I'll keep that in there as well. A nail file, again this is really handy just for any chipped nails or anything, so I'll keep that as well. This is just a little box for some plasters actually, but I've got loads of loose ones in the bottom of here, so I don't think I'm going to have that. I think I'm just going to put some of the loose ones in my Toiletry 15, so let's have a look. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, that'll do me. It's just for days when I might get a blister from my shoes or anything like that. So there's 4 loose plasters, so I'll just put that inside here as well. They fit a lot easier than this would, so got a couple of hair ties which can go in here as well. They just fit in really easily. I've got a random toothbrush, I don't think I'll be needing that, so I'll just keep that out. Some chewing gum, always good to have, so I'll pop that in there as well. A little pen, again really handy to have in case I need one. It's small enough so that it'll just go straight in there. I've got 2 small perfume samples here, they're both of the same thing I think. Yeah, Burberry Hair in Blossom. So I think I'll just keep one of them and not put both of them in. And that's it, that's all empty, so there is quite a lot that I've decided not to have with me on a daily basis, so this is everything here. So I definitely don't need all of that, so that will be not going in my Toiletry 15, but then everything else is fit in actually really nicely. I don't need any more than that. I'm really happy it all fits in there, so let's close it up. Yep, that zips up absolutely fine, and it's not too bulky or anything. It looks fine like that. So yeah, everything I need is fit in there, so I'm really pleased about that. Definitely needed to downsize from what I had before. I'm so glad I can get rid of this now and just have this one. I just love it so much. It's exactly what I was looking for. It's the perfect size. It'll just pop into any of my handbags, and yeah, I'm good to go. So thank you very much for watching this quick video. Please do give a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'd love it if you could subscribe to come back for more videos. I'm on Instagram as well, which is Looks and Life UK, and I have a blog which is looksandlife.co.uk. So Thanks again for watching. I'm really happy to add this to my collection, so stay tuned for even more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!